Welcome in English class with me, Miss Indar Susanti, as an English teacher. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, how are you today? I hope you are fine and protected by Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala. Well class, before we learn, let's pray according to our respective belief and religions. Pray begin. You support channel ini dengan like, share, dan subscribe agar makin semangat ya. Adapun tujuan pembelajaran kita, setelah mempelajari materi ini, siswa diharapkan mampu membedakan fungsi sosial, struktur teks, dan unsur kebahasaan beberapa teks prosedur lisan maupun tulisan. Now let's learn about what is the procedure text is. Procedure text is a text that explains or helps us how to make or use something. What is the social functions of procedure text? Its social function is to describe how something is completely done through a sequence of steps. Communicative purpose of this text is to describe how something is made through a sequence of actions or steps. Now let's learn about generic structure of procedure text. Consists of goal, materials, and steps. Goal is an introductory statement giving the aims or goals. It may be the title of the text or an introductory of paragraph. Material is a list of material, that is a list of things which are needed in making or using something. Step, that is the structure to state the ingredients, consists of the name of material and amount of material needed. Next we learn about language features of procedure text. The first is using imperative sentence, and then using time sequence, and using simple present tense.